Let's say we have a folder including some files. In this case, an LDT file. So we drag and drop the LDT files into Photoview. Then we want to add an image. So from here, we drag and drop the image over here. And now we want to add a spectrum. In this case, we have a spectrum, or we have a file, the raw file, including many spectrums. This is the file that we can take directly from our gonio spectrometer. So it is including many spectrums. So we drag and drop, the program will ask which standard we want to apply, we confirm, we have the visualization of all the available spectrums, we confirm. Okay, otherwise, always through the same folder, it is possible to have a single spectrum. So in TXT format, we simply drag and drop and we import also an XLS file, and we import the file. As you can see now, having a single spectrum, we have a single spectrum over here. Let's say that now we want to save the file to the information to a file. So it's clear that it is not possible to save a spectrum and images at, for example, an LDT file, not even at an IES file, the old one. But it is possible, for example, to save a photometry and spectrum at a brand new IES TM-33 file format, which is the one introduced at the end of 2018 by the IES in the States. So we select and we save it. Okay. Let's say that we change the code of the luminaire and the photometry. If we want to save spectrum plus photometry plus luminaire all together, we have to use the OXL file format. So we select the OXL and we save. Let's say that in this case we call it -2. Okay, so if we now go back to the folder, we can drag and drop the XML file, and we have the spectrum and the photometry all together. But if we drag and drop the OXL file, we have photometry, spectrum, but also the image all together. And when we print, for example, over here, custom print, okay, to PDF, and we place it here and we call 11, save. And we open the file. We're going to have the polar diagram together with the product image and with the spectrum and the other graphics that we selected. Let's say that now we want to use these files at the database. So at the LISWIN database. So we created, for example, a reduced OXL file. Why reduced? Because it is only including the photometry, the spectrum, and the image, but it is not including datasheet information. So we simply take it, drag and drop. We select that it is a an LED luminaire, we import together the image, the spectrum, the photometry, and the spectrum is available through the Photoview. In this case, if you edit, you can input the information related to the luminaire, to the datasheet of the luminaire. So, for example, it is a road lighting luminaire, and it is an LED luminaire AC with a total power of, I don't know, 152. We save. So the information now are available also over here. And now it is possible to export the file. So we select OXL, we select the file we want to export, we press on plus, we export through this feature, and we place it at the Oxitec folder. If now we edit the Oxitec folder, we will find the related information.